Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see about the links. Links are used to open the URL. There are two types of URL. One is absolute URL and the other one is relative URL. We will see both the URLs, how to link this URL. Now we will go to the Sublime editor. Now we are going to see absolute URL. From our page, HTML page, we will open some absolute URL, that is some of the websites, just like Google, Yahoo, or whatever you want. If you click something, then it will open your Google or Yahoo website. You have to go for a tag, href equal to double quotes, then you can give the URL https, then you have to give the colon, after that you have to give slash, then you can give the website name. I am giving here google.com. Close this one, then you can type whatever you want. I am typing here click here, then close the A tab. Now we will save the file, save, and we will open the browser. For that you have to right click the hello file, open with, go to Google Chrome, here you can see the text click here. If you move the cursor above this click here, you can see you can find the and, small and there. If you click on click here, it will take you to the Google website. Click here. You can see the browser is redirected to google.com. Like this you can go for, I am going back here. Like this you can go for Yahoo also, or whatever the website you want to open. Just go to here, then type here yahoo.com, save the file, go to the browser, refresh it, then if you click here now, it will take you to Yahoo website. Here you can see the Yahoo website is open now. Just go back. Like this you can go for the absolute URL. You can give the link, you can give the hyperlink to the absolute URL. Now the second one, that is the relative URL. Let us see how to give the relative URL. Relative URL means linking the file in the same website. Just like I am going for here, suppose I want to link to the same website. Suppose I want to link to about us. Okay, and here you can give about us.html file, and here we'll go for the button for the text about us. Save this file. Now if we click this about us, it will open on another page, that is the about us.html file. We have to create this about us.html now. For that we will go to File, New File. Here I got the new file. Go to File, Save. Here on the desktop, I am saving on the desktop where my hello file is there. Here give the file name about us. And here you have to give the HTML file. I am giving here about us.html. Now save the file. Here I got the about us.html. Now we will copy the same coding here. No need to type again. Just copy and paste it to about us.html. Here I'll give the title as about us. And here if I in the about us.html, I'll give for hello.html, and here that is my home page. You can give home here. Save the file. You can go for save all. Now we have two files. One is hello.html and the another one is about us.html. In the hello.html, if you click about us, it will take you to the about us.html file. From there, if you click on home, it will come to hello.html. Let us see in the browser now. Save this file. Go to the browser. Refresh the browser. You can see about us. The link is there. If you click here, it will take you to the home page. Here you can see that it will take you to the about us. Here you can see home here. If I click on home, it will go to the hello.html. That is the hello world is there. Here if I click here, it will take you to the about us. If I click here, it will take me to the home page. That's all about the relative URL, linking to the relative URL. Hope you have understood this one. If you have any queries, you can give on comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.